Hi guys, it's Gingineer. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon magsosolve na naman tayo ng age problem for civil service exam. And ngayon guys is intermediate level na tayo. Okay, so start na natin. Ben is 2 years away from being twice Ellen's age. The sum of twice Ben's age and thrice Ellen's age is 66. Find Ben's age now. Okay, so para hindi tayo maguluhan, isulat muna natin yung mga givens. So, meron tayong Ben and Ellen. Okay? And then, isulat din natin yung past, present, and future. Ayan. So, mag-set lang din tayo ng variables. Si Ben, gawin natin siyang variable X. And si Ellen naman, gawin natin siyang variable Y. Okay? So, nagawa na natin yung table natin. Ngayon naman, tignan natin yung mga conditions and gumawa tayo ng equation from that. No? So, first condition, sabi dito, Ben is 2 years away from being twice Ellen's age. So, kapag twice daw yung age ni Ellen, is mas bata daw si Ben ng 2 years. So, paano natin gawing equation yan? So, kung si Ben is variable X, so gawin natin equal to twice ng Ellen, so 2y, and then yung 2 years away or minus 2. Okay? So, nagawa na natin guys yung first equation natin. Next naman, tignan natin yung second condition, no? So, the sum of twice Ben's age and thrice Ellen's age is 66. So, pag sinabing sum, so i-add lang natin sila. So, yung twice na age ni Ben, so that is 2x plus thrice nung kay Ellen, which is 3y, and that is equal to 66. Okay, so meron na tayong pangalawang equation. So, anong next na gagawin natin? Sino yung hinahanap? Si Ben or si variable X? Okay, so gagamitin natin tong equation natin para makuha yung value ni variable X. So, ang gagawin natin guys, itong first equation, isasalpak natin sa second equation. So, may value na tayo ni X dyan, no? So, ang value ni X, 2y minus 2. Okay? So, isalpak natin sa pangalawang equation. So, 2 times 2y minus 2, yung value ni X, plus 3y, copy lang natin, is equal to 66. Yan, so i-distribute natin to guys. 2 times 2y, that is 4y. 2 times negative 2y, that is negative 4. Plus 3y is equal to 66. Ayan, so pagsamahin lang natin guys, yung may mga same na variables. So 4y and 3y. So, pagsamahin natin, kapag inad natin yan, that is equal to 7y. Itong naiwan dito sa left side, guys, na negative 4, ilipat lang natin sa right side. So, magiging positive. So, 66 plus 4 na. Okay? So, ilipat lang natin siya dito, guys. So, 7y is equal to 66 plus 4, that is 70. Okay? So, i-divide lang natin siya both side ng 7 para makancel tong 7, y na lang yung matira. So, ang value ng y guys, 70 over 7 or that is 10. So, yun na ba yung sagot natin guys? Hindi pa. Kasi ang hinahanap yung age ni Ben or variable x. So, meron na tayong value ng variable y. So, ang gagawin natin, i-convert na lang natin siya into variable x. So, gagamitin natin guys yung first equation natin. Ito na lang para mas maiksi. So, dito na natin ilalagay. So, x is equal to 2y minus 2, di ba? So, itong value ng y guys is 10. So, copyin lang natin yan. And then, masosolve na natin yung value ni x. So, 2 times 10 is 20 minus 2, that is 18. So, 18 years old na guys si Ben. So, that is letter D. So, yun lang guys. Sana natuto kayo sa video natin for today. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, so subscribe ka naman guys para updated ka lagi sa videos natin. Okay, so kita-kits tayo guys sa next video ko.